Hi, I'm Cam and we're going to be talking about pressure washers. Let's get into it. If you're not familiar with them, a pressure washer uses high pressure water to remove dirt, mould and grime from outdoor surfaces. They're faster, more effective and use less water than a standard garden hose. Let's talk about the two electric models we're featuring today. First up is the Ryobi 2030 PSI Compact High Pressure Washer. It's great for medium intensity cleaning like paths, decks, outdoor furniture and vehicles. If you're after a bit more grunt, the Ryobi 2750 PSI electric model is perfect for tougher jobs, like deep driveway cleaning or heavily soiled areas. It also has a built-in detergent tank and soap nozzle to tackle grime with ease. Let's run through setup and technique. Place your pressure washer on a flat surface, connect your garden hose to the water inlet, then attach the high pressure hose to the outlet and select your spray nozzle. Quick connect fittings make it nice and easy. Now turn the water on at the tap. Before switching on the washer, squeeze the trigger for about 20 to 30 seconds to allow a steady stream of water. This flushes out any air in the line and prevents running the pump dry, which could damage the unit. When cleaning, aim to hold the nozzle roughly 30 centimetres from the surface and use smooth, overlapping strokes. If you're working on delicate surfaces like timber, it's a good idea to test a small, inconspicuous area first. For sloped areas, start at the top and work your way down so the dirty water drains away naturally. There are some handy attachments to make the job easier. The turbo nozzle is perfect for blasting stubborn grime off decks, concrete and bricks. Just keep a safe distance on timber to avoid damage. The 15-degree fan spray is gentle enough for house exteriors and weatherboards. The foam cannon applies soap for cars or cleaners on other surfaces. The round surface cleaner makes driveways and patios quick work. When you're finished, switch off the pressure washer, turn the tap off, disconnect the hoses, then pull the trigger once more to release any residual pressure. Store your equipment somewhere dry and sheltered. And that's it. With the right pressure washer, you can have your outdoor spaces looking fresh in no time. If you need help choosing the right one, just chat to the team at Bunnings.